from High Top. We are the supplier about the layer chicken equipment, and this is our installation team leader, Mr. Isaiah.
Yes, ito pala yung project sa Pampanga. Ito pala yung high top layer cages. Ito pala yun. Ito yung sa Minarin, Pampanga. A-frame, conventional, automatic cage system.
Yeah, and now I would like to introduce each system of the equipment to all of you to have a general understanding. So in the front part, it is the automatic extraction machine. You can see here is the control box. The control box can be controlled one side only or both sides. Because if you don't have enough work, you can just pick up the eggs on one side. And we also weld a platform here. So you can put the egg tray here. Just collect the eggs here. Very convenient. And follow me to check the other part. Isaiah, come together with me.
So, ito pala yung sabi niya, ito ay egg collection machine. Ito ay egg elevator. So, pwede niyo siyang kontrolin sa isang linya lang or dalawa sabay. So, ito ay automatic pagkakat ng itlog dito. Ito, pwede mo kolektahin dito agad-agad. Or kung dalawa kayo, pwede nyo pagsabahin ng dalawa. Dito kayo, yung isa dito, yung isa naman dito.
And inside the part is our green and cage and feeder and drinking line. Let me introduce you one by one. First about the sheet mesh. It is hot dip galvanized. The lifespan is at least 50 years, 15 to 20 years. About the free and the metal part, it is the surface treatment is zinc, aluminum, and magnesium. So the anti-current quality is much better than the hot dip galvanized. So the lifespan is also 15 to 20 years. And for the free, we have a special design here. You can see there is a brace bar. We put the brace on both sides, so it is a triangle structure. So the free is more stable. And one more thing, the design we make for the cage, there is no overlap of each tier. No overlap of each tier. So the chicken manure can drop on the ground directly. The chickens in the lower tier very clean because no manure dropped inside the cage. Please take a closer look about this black connector for the water pipe. It is a rubber type. We make this here, so it is very convenient if you want to disassemble the pipe to replace.
Bigay sila nandito na flexible na rubber type sa connector sa mga water line. Ito is maganda po pagka tinatanggal, easy to remove. Just i-unscrew mo lang to, tapos pwede mo na siyang palitan. Okay?
Yes. Let's go to the end part of the feeding machine. our feeding machine is a closed type, not open type. So the chicken feed inside is very clean because no flies inside it. And one more thing, you can see we make some small windows on many parts. So you can check the feeding quantity inside it very conveniently.
Yung feed cart niya is sarado siya. So hindi kung makikita yan, no, hindi makakapasok ang mga langaw dito. At meron siya mga transparent glass. So makikita mo ang mga feeds kung dito pa yung feeds or nasa lower part na.
And about the rail, the walking rail for the feeding machine, we use the square pipe, not round pipe. Square pipe is better because for square pipe, it is more stable for this pulley. When the feeding machine run forward and backward on the square pipe, it is more stable. It won't out of control. If round pipe, not good.
Ito para sa gulong ng feed cart natin is gumawa sila ng square tube na tubular. So mas maganda to at mas stable at mas smooth ang takbo ng feed cart dahil ito is sa square tube. Maliban sa pagiging stable niya, mas matibay pa compare sa round na pipe. Wait.
Yeah. And for this chicken house, you can see the roof. The roof is PVC roof, PVC panel. It is also from High Top Company. The PVC roof is better quality than metal type because the anti-current quality is better. The anti-current quality and heat installation quality is both better than metal type. We are on the first floor of the chicken house. You can see there is a bamboo floor. This bamboo floor is used to dry the manure in a short time. If no bamboo floor, the manure will on the ground directly. In a very long time, it keeps wet and there will be many flies inside. So with this bamboo floor, the manure can dry in a very short time. Not so many flies.
Ito pala yung yung bamboo manure para bamboo dryer. So pagka ito umipot ang mga ibon dito. So mas mabilis matuyo ang mga manure at saka malilimitahan ng mga langaw kasi kapag ito wala to sa lupa diretso ang manure. So mas mapasa ang manure at malangaw. So mas maganda meron kang ganito. Okay.
Let's take another view on the first floor of our equipment. You can see the installation is very straight, very beautiful. The installation is much more important than equipment. If the equipment quality is good, but installation not good, the equipment will make no sense. But all installation teams do very excellent job. The installation is very straight, and you can also see our design of the frame. We can make sure no overlap of each ear of the cage, so the chicken waste, chicken manure can drop on the ground. No manure on the lower tier of the chicken. So the chickens in the lower tier cage very clean, very healthy.
So kung makikita nyo, ang design niya is talagang straight siya. Gumamit sila ng laser para ma-align ng straight. Kasi kung makikita niyo yan, straight na straight. Tsaka yung mga niya, yung dito sa first row, second row, and third row, talagang hindi sila nagpagkakasalubong. Kaya naka-team frame siya. So mga sa first row and second row, pagka duduto yung mga yan, hindi second and third dadalhin. Kaya naka-8 sheet ang mga cage. Okay.
You are doing excellent job, Isaiah.
Thank you.
We are in the front part of the whole building. Here is the feeding system, the silo, the auger system. There is a small hopper here. The workers just put the feed into the hopper. There will be an auger system transport the feed into the silo. And the silo will drop feed down there. And it will be a slope auger system transport the feed inside the chicken house.
So makikita nyo meron siyang emergency auger system. Yung auger na to, ito'y bubuhos ang feeds. Bucket, silo. And then kapag ang after na silo, i-drop, meron pa rin bagong isang auger doon. Yun ang auger na yun is papunta sa mga feed cart para magpakain ng mga manok. Okay.
And the silo, the capacity of the feed silo is 10 tons.
Ang kapasidad ng silo is 10 tons o 10 tonelada. Okay.
Material is hot dip galvanized.
Ang materialis niya is hot dip galvanized. So mas matibay at mas matibay sa kalawang kaysa sa bakal, ordinaryong bakal.
Yeah.